Hey everyone, if you want to manage cloud storage, create backups, synchronize files, or transfer data using Rclone on Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use Rclone on Windows from start to finish in 2026. First, download and install Rclone on your Windows computer. After downloading the Windows release, extract the files and place the Rclone executable in a convenient location. For easier access, consider adding the Rclone folder to your Windows path environment variable. This allows you to run Rclone commands from any command prompt or PowerShell window. Next, open Command Prompt, Windows Terminal, or PowerShell and verify that Rclone is installed correctly by checking the installed version. One common use case is uploading files from your Windows computer to cloud storage. Rclone can efficiently transfer individual files or entire folders. Another popular feature is downloading files from cloud storage to your local system. You can also synchronize folders between your computer and cloud storage to keep data updated automatically across multiple locations. And that's how to use Rclone on Windows in 2026. With proper configuration and a basic understanding of its features, Rclone becomes an incredibly powerful tool for cloud storage management and automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.